Welcome to 501 Math Leap, where we work smart, not hard. In today's problem, we're given this diagram of a rectangle with a circle inside of it, and we're also given the information that BK is 8 centimeters and KM is 10 centimeters. With that, we're to determine the perimeter of the rectangle ABCD. Pause the video here, see what you can come up with. I'm gonna solve it this way. So first off, I'm going to start by labeling the information that is given. We know that BK is 8, and then KM, that is 10. But if we look at KM, in particular, we see that that is a straight line that passes through the center of the circle from one point to the point that is exactly opposite of it. So that means that KM is the diameter of the circle, which means then that KO will be the radius of the circle, so that will be half of 10, which is 5. Also, if we draw a line straight up from O to point E, that will also be a radius of the circle, so that will also be 5. So when we look at it here, we have a right angled triangle where BO will be 8 plus 5, which is 13, and using Pythagoras' theorem, we can find the length BE. So we'll have that BE squared plus the square of 5 is equal to the square of 13. 5 squared is 25, 13 squared is 169. Transposing, we'll subtract 25 from 169, which leaves us with BE squared being 144. Therefore, BE will be the square root of 144, which is 12. Then, let's see, what else can we know? Well, we can put that 12 on the diagram for BE, and then we can also look at the radius OE, which is 5. Above, if that is 5, then right down below, that will also be 5. So if we have 5 at the top and 5 at the bottom, that means the width of the rectangle will be 10. How can we find the length of the rectangle? Well, if we look at it, we see that the triangle BOE, we can take that, flip it around, and it will fit exactly there at the bottom because it is symmetrical. And so that means that EC will be the same 12, which means that the whole length AD is 24. Therefore, using the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle, 2 times the length plus width, we'll have 2 times 24 plus 10, or in other words, 2 times 34 gives us that the answer is 68 centimeters. Did you get it right? If so, comment below, and as always, if you found this video useful, please hit that like button, share with others, and subscribe if you're new here.